Pepe Lopez from Spicy Life Real Estate. We have this great opportunity in Dominicalito Bay community. It's a house, 3 minutes walking distance to the waterfall and 5 minutes walking distance to the beach. Come and check it out. This opportunity won't last long. Spicy Life forever. Do you want to enjoy surfing every day? Do you want to walk with your board to the surf? We have this great opportunity. It's a 326 square meter homes, has living room, kitchen, and has 2 rooms. Now this house looks like this, but we have done already several nice remodels, and we can transform this house for you into your beautiful surf casita walking distance to the beach. Check it out. Enjoy this opportunity that it's ready to go.